Yeah, hold on, give me a sec. Okay, sorry, what were you saying? Oh yeah, the dinner party. Yeah, of course. Yeah, I don't know how many like 70s vinyls I have, but let me see. Alright, so it looks like I just have like an ABBA and a Paul Anka. Do those work? Okay, yeah, of course. Also, I have these really cute like record coasters. Yeah, do you want to borrow them? Yeah, I think one of them's like a Pink Floyd and the other one's like the Beatles or something. Yeah, I think Goodwill would be like a great place to go. They always have like old stuff, it'd be great. Hey, if you go, can you keep an eye out for any like old beat up records? Like the small ones, not the normal sized. Yeah, because you know that record wall I have? It looks like really empty. Like there's something missing. Yeah, so I was thinking I'd get some the small records, paint them and kind of put them in like the blank spaces. Yeah, talk to you later. Bye.